guys, so I bet you thought this was going to be a silent video the entire time, but not quite. I had to come and share some details with you guys that I did not want to write on the screen. So I do want to just start out by saying that I did try to measure my hair for this whole entire process. That was like kind of one of the reasons why I straightened my hair, was because I wanted some real accurate results. But when I went to compare at the end, I realized, as you see now, the measuring tape was not in the right spot. Like, it was just not in the right positions. My camera wasn't focusing, and it was just so frustrating. So I was just kind of like over it, and I didn't want to include it in the video. So I'm going to basically do a different way of trying to determine if this worked or not. So I'm going to measure this through my roots. So as you can see here on the right side, it looks like I got some major new growth, right? So that's what I was thinking too when I looked at the side-by-side comparisons. I was like, oh my God, my hair grew. And I did feel like my hair grew a lot too when I would put my hands through my roots and stuff like that. It felt like it grew a lot. But this is where I gotta give y'all the real details. Okay, so as we can kind of see, if you start to look like on when my hair was straight, that at the roots, I'm going to show you in a different part of the video, at the roots, it's actually not really fully straight. So here you can see that my roots look a little bit wavy, and that's because I didn't like bone straight. I didn't flat iron my roots bone straight. So with that being said, when I added the hot oil to my scalp and my roots, I believe that it caused my hair to kind of revert back to its curls. So I think that that is what is making it look like I have so much new growth. However, I do believe my hair did grow because I massaged the heck out of my scalp for 7 days with amazing mix of oils such as the castor oil and the peppermint oil. Honey, these ain't basic oils. These are oils that really help to stimulate what's underneath your scalp to really get the follicles working, honey, and grow your hair faster than normal. So with that being said, overall, the inversion method does work to a certain extent, right? So for most people, I believe that it will help your hair to grow, but you're probably not gonna get those results like an inch, because it said that you'll grow at least an inch up to 4 inches. This inversion method is not for everyone. You have to check, because certain people, like women who are pregnant, people who have high blood pressure, certain health conditions, you should not be doing this because it can make things a lot worse for you. So that was my video on trying the inversion method, guys. Let me know if you've tried it before, what you think about this whole process. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and come visit me again and see some more videos. Let me know what you want to see in the future. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.